VDF sina matam gi lengak ta tanduna lakwa demand sing maruina matam go chunaba pay structure seminaba service regularization tabinaba amadi section 18 police act 1861 implement tawinaba memorandum kya thazinduna haiziduna lakpani adubu VDF singna taliba demand ase maram chaba demand oi haina government na hairagasu taliba demand sing ase thabak oinadi onthok piduna leiri amadi government na piba thazaba khudimak matamda Thazaba Kudimak Matam Thadun Lakibagi, Penadraba VDF Singna Haukiba Chahiki December Gitang, Kungo Hondoidagi indefinite gun down and pen down strike down Lagdi, PR government VDF Singna Taliba demand Singi Manunda, pay increase so that Chatliba Jahi Asagate January Tham Manunda, Victok number order Toklani Hadi, Masida Central Committee Amadi District Committee that Hazaba Yaba assurance Amata PPW strike as a junction to the Lapani, government Hazabadu. MOU oina nakal ani sign tongasi haiba da su madugi paukum amata pirakpasu leite masna January thada order soina thokani haiba wafam thazaba leite government gi wafam khudimak thabak oina onthok pijogadi VDF member kaya society forward tawgani haiba wafam kaya amai leiri Central Committee na chaliba thas ki tang tara tarukta mass rally ama Imphal mayon da chatnaba siliba sida Thobal district ki member khudimak so yawnaba tharang tawdun leire lambak ki law and order Laibaki law and order ngak senbada ajowa daita lawriba VDF Singbo state government na hanthan meeting amada yengbiba masina VDF miyamgi thamoida piendaba kaya pikthali Maritagi Majau Tokjungida Warai Cinema Atobada Puraknaba Hotnamada Marilinaba Department Kudimana Daita Lahoningi Uniform set Jaduna Amadi Kutta Kulai Paiduna Ahin Nungtin Kaidana duty Tawzriba VDF Singi demand Atobada Pitok Biduna VDF Singna Mahau Sago duty the Hanjin Hanbinaba Thobal District VDF Welfare Association ke Maikadi Thadroka Jail Amana Lengak da Appeal Tarokli